Hi guys, I'm RunCell and this is how I use NanoStudio for samples and resampling. These drum sounds have been sampled from Nave. Okay, this is how we do it. First I'm starting with a new blank trigger instrument, trigger 3 in this case. And I'm going to Nave because this is what we're going to be sampling. Got a bunch of drum sounds I've already made here. We need to record these sounds. I'm using Cubasis. And we're recording Nave. I'll just put Cubasis in to record and flick through some sounds. Okay, so now we have one audio part with several drum hits. So I'll save this audio part to media so it can be exported. Now appears in the audio folder where I can share it, in this case opening Twisted Wave. I don't have to touch anything here, just leave it and it comes up. First thing I do is send to iTunes file sharing. This is because we need to preserve the original and take more samples from it. Okay, I'll zero in on the kicks, have a listen and find a good one. Once I have my kick, I name it, and this time open in NanoStudio. Press browse for the folder system. If you're not sure where you are, press the back button until you can't go back anymore. Then select samples. You can create folders to place your samples in using the new folder button at the bottom left. Once you're ready to save your sample, press save as, yes, tick. Now we can load the kick drum onto pad 1. If it brings you into the wrong folder, press the back button again until you locate the samples folder. Now we're ready for our next drum sound. Import from iTunes. Sorry about this guys, I'm at a bit of a funny angle. Once I have my one clap, I name it and open it in Nano. Straight away I load it onto pad 2. Now we're ready for another sound, so it's back to twisted wave. Documents. Import from iTunes. Our original sample. Okay, last time, I'm not going to say anything here. there it is. Remember, you're not just restricted to sounds, so you can do loops. Okay. Now I'm going to play Nano using MIDI from Cubasis. I'll set it to MIDI channel 3 because our trigger instrument 3 is set to MIDI channel 3. Now we can play and record the Nave drum sounds, which can be quantized and edited after recording. Don't forget to arm the track. Not the greatest drum skills there. Bit quantize. Right, just to show you that it is playing our Nano Nave drum sounds. Okay. In the next example, I've created some drum sounds in Nano. Some drum loops, sorry, in Nano. Using the Nave sounds, which can then be recorded back into Cubasis as a drum loop via audio bus. There's my drum arrangement using trigger instrument 1 and 2. And this can be recorded into Cubasis as a drum loop or a drum part. And there it is, our drum part, made from Nave sounds, recorded from Nano. We can now shut Nano down because we have our audio right here.